This is not just another destination. This is not just another gathering. This is AURUM, a movement driven by vision, powered by leadership, and united by people who refuse to settle for ordinary. From every corner of the world, more than 150 qualified partners came together in one extraordinary place, the breathtaking Maldives. But this experience was never about luxury alone. It was about purpose. It was about connection. It was about building the future together. While many people spend their lives watching opportunities pass by, leaders make a different choice. They step forward. They connect. They grow. They position themselves for what comes next. That is exactly what happened here. For several unforgettable days, ideas became strategies. Conversations became partnerships. Relationships became a powerful global network built on ambition, collaboration, and a shared vision. Behind every smile, every handshake, and every celebration was something even bigger. A community that believes the future is created by those who are willing to act. Because success is never built alone. It is built through people who inspire one another, challenge one another, and move together toward a common goal. This is what the AURUM ecosystem represents. An international community where leadership is developed, opportunities are explored, and momentum is created through unity and innovation. You are witnessing more than an event. You are witnessing the power of a vision becoming reality. The world is changing faster than ever before. New technologies, new connections, and new possibilities are shaping tomorrow. The question is not whether change is coming. The question is whether you will be part of it. The future belongs to those who act today. Join AURUM today at AURUM Foundation and become part of what's next.